1. Which component of Oracle Apex is responsible for rendering pages and processing user requests? A. Application Express Engine. B. Oracle REST Data Services. Web Listener. Workshop. 2. In Oracle Apex, what is the primary purpose of a page process? A. To define the visual layout of page items. B. To execute server-side logic at specific points during page processing. C. To create client-side JavaScript validations. D. To manage user authentication tokens. 3. Which authentication scheme in Oracle Apex validates users against the Apex Workspace user accounts? A. Database account authentication. B. LDAP directory authentication. C. Application Express account authentication. D. HTTP header variable authentication. 4. What is the correct order of page processing events in Oracle Apex? A. Rendering, validations, processing, branching. B. Processing, validations, rendering, branching. C. Validations, processing, branching, rendering. D. Rendering, processing, validations, branching. 5. In an interactive report, which feature allows users to save their customized report settings for future use? A. Report templates. Saved reports. C. Report subscriptions. D. Alternative reports. 6. What is the purpose of the Apex application install package? A. To create new applications programmatically. B. To set application installation options during import. C. To manage workspace user accounts. D. To configure REST services. 7. Which substitution string returns the current application ID in Oracle Apex? Azer. B. Session. Pay D. 8. In Oracle Apex, what does the build option feature allow developers to do? A. Configure compilation settings for PL/SQL code. B. Enable or disable application components without deleting them. C. Set optimization preferences for page rendering. D. Define build dependencies between applications. 9. Which region type should be used to display data in a responsive card layout in Universal Theme? A. Classic report with card template. Cards region. C. Interactive report. D. Content row region. 10. What is the primary function of the Apex util.set session state procedure? A. To initialize a new user session. B. To programmatically set the value of page or application items. C. To clear all session state values. D. To validate session token authenticity. 11. In a dynamic action, what does the fire on initialization option do? A. Executes the action when the application is first installed. B. Executes the action when the page loads before any user interaction. C. Executes the action only once per session. D. Executes the action during database initialization. 12. Which authorization scheme type evaluates a PL/SQL function that returns a Boolean value? A. Exists SQL query. B. PL/SQL function returning Boolean. Item is not null. D. Value of item column equals expression. 13. What is the purpose of page 0 in an Oracle Apex application? A. To serve as the default landing page. B. To hold components that appear on all pages in the application. C. To store global JavaScript and CSS files. D. To configure application-wide settings. 14. Which Apex view provides information about all page items defined in an application? Apex application page items. ID text. C. Apex workspace items. D. Apex application items. 15. In Oracle Apex, what is a plugin? A. A third-party database driver. B. A developer-created extension that adds new functionality types. C. A browser extension for Apex development. D. A pre-built application template. 16. Which process type should be used to send an email from an Apex application? L. It will process using Apex Mail. B. Email process type. C. HEP direct process. D. Web service call to mail server. 17. What is the purpose of the lost update detection feature in Oracle Apex? A. To recover lost data from failed transactions. B. To prevent users from overwriting changes made by other users. C. To track all DML operations in audit logs. D. To automatically backup application changes. 18. In Oracle Apex REST data services, what HTTP method is typically used for creating new resources? A. Get. B. C. Put. D. Patch. 19. Which template option class is used to control the width of form items in Universal Theme? Item width. Item size. 20. What is the function of the Apex JSON package? A. To validate JSON syntax in database columns. B. To generate and parse JSON in PL SQL. To convert XML to JSON format. To store JSON in blob columns. 21. In Oracle Apex, what is a faceted search region? A search region that uses regular expressions. B. A region that provides interactive filtering using multiple dimensions. C. A full-text search implementation. D. A region for searching across multiple applications. 22. Which session state protection level prevents URL tampering with restricted values? A. Unrestricted. B. Checksum required, session level. C. Checksum required, application level. D. Checksum required, user level. 23. What does the Apex Collection API allow developers to do? A. Manage named arrays of data stored in session state. B. Group applications into collections. Organize workspace files. D. Create collections of database tables. 24. In Oracle Apex, which component allows you to define reusable UI patterns that can be applied across multiple pages? A. Page templates. Shared components. D. Application themes. 25. What is the purpose of the server-side condition on a page component? A. To validate data before saving to the database. B. To conditionally render or process the component based on a condition. C. To control client-side visibility with JavaScript. D. To set default values for items. 26. Which feature in Oracle Apex allows developers to create progressive web applications PWA? A. Application definition, progressive web app settings. B. Shared components, PWA configuration. C. Page design, PWA options. D. Themes, mobile configuration. 27. In an interactive grid, what is the difference between save and submit buttons? A. Save writes to session state only, submit writes to the database. B. Save is for single row, submit is for multiple rows. C. They perform the same function with different labels. D. Save creates a draft, submit finalizes the record. 28. Which Oracle Apex feature allows automatic translation of applications to multiple languages? A. Localization services. B. Globalization support. C. Translation repository. D. Multi-language framework. 29. What is the purpose of the Apex Web Service package? A. To configure Apex Web Server settings. B. To make calls to external REST and SOAP web services. To expose Apex applications as web services. D. To monitor web server performance. 30. In Oracle Apex, what determines which pages a user can access? Page templates. B. Navigation menu configuration. C. Authorization schemes. D. User preferences. 31. Which statement about application items is correct? A. Application items can only be set during authentication. B. Application items have no associated page and are globally accessible. C. Application items are automatically saved to the database. D. Application items can only store numeric values. 32. What is the purpose of the escape special characters attribute on display items? A. To remove special characters from the value. B. To prevent cross-site scripting XSS attacks. C. To encode the value for URL parameters. D. To allow HTML formatting in the display. 33. In Oracle Apex, what is a page group? A. A collection of pages that share common authorization. B. An organizational feature to categorize pages for developers. C. A group of pages that are processed together. D. A set of pages with identical templates. 34. Which file format is used when exporting an Oracle Apex application? A. APEX. B. School. C. XML. D. Zip. 35. What is the purpose of the Apex application.gx01 through gx10 variables? A. To store global application constants. B. To pass additional parameters in AJAX callbacks. C. To define application-level exceptions. D. To configure application debug settings. 36. What is the purpose of the Apex debug package in Oracle Apex? A. To enable remote debugging of JavaScript code. B. To log messages and track application execution for troubleshooting. C. To automatically fix errors in PL SQL code. D. To generate performance benchmark reports. 37. Which region type in Oracle Apex allows developers to create master detail relationships with inline editing capabilities? A. Classic report. B. Interactive grid. C. Interactive report. D. Reflow report. 38. In Oracle Apex, what is the function of a computation? A. To perform complex mathematical calculations on report data. B. To automatically calculate and assign values to page or application items. To compute database statistics for query optimization. D. To calculate storage requirements for LOB columns. 39. Which attribute must be set to yes to allow a page item value to be passed via URL in Oracle Apex? A. Session state protection. B. Used. C. Maintains session state. D. Value protected. 40. What is the purpose of the Apex Custom Auth package? A. To create custom authentication plugins. B. To provide functions for managing custom authentication schemes. C. To encrypt user passwords in the database. D. To integrate with third-party identity providers.